Greetings from Gladden, an aspirant of Zoho Schools. Hope you have a wonderful day. If not, don't worry, your day is just like 7 billion others' day. Today, I'm here to explain the three best traits that define me. It includes positive thinking, hard work, and always trying to learn new things. The first one, the positive thinking. I think it's very important for any person to learn or to grow. The sense of positivity always helps me to move away from the fails at that time. Our minds are like parachutes. They are helpful when they are wide open, and I think positivity is one of the key factors to open our mind. I train my mind to see positive things in every situation. For example, 2 weeks before I fell down the stairs and I thought, okay, I came a little faster. It is like that. I will be that positive. Only then we can see our opportunities coming. The second one, hard work. Now, I don't want you to bore by explaining the successful stories of great people, but I want to share an often debated topic with my friend, that is hard work versus smart work. He always says smart work is the best. One day I was fed up and I asked him to give an example in his life to prove the statement. So yeah, he asked me, what would you do to learn a really difficult long 8 mark question? I said, I would spend more time on it. I would practice it until I learn it. For that, he replied, I could work hard, but I would rather take a small piece of paper, enter the answer in it, and take it to the exam. I immediately counter question him. Okay, now you covered it, but what will you do in the time if this same question is asked in an interview? At that day, he did not have any answer for it. You see, hard work is not a easy way. It gives you the pain. It might be time consuming, but I think to sharpen myself, I should spend the time and I should go under the pain. As Kale quoted, opportunity does not knock the door, it presents itself before you when you beat down the door. And I think hard work is one of the important factors to do so. I want to be like a postage stamp that is never leave until you reach your destiny. The third thing, always trying to learn new things. To give an example, in my 8th grade, I was selected to do a project in which hydroelectricity was a part of it. That time, I did not have any syllabus related to it in my academic studies. So I could search in internet, study 4 lines, and explain it at the in the project. But I learned it. I increased my knowledge about hydroelectricity. Now, in my 12th grade, I have a separate chapter about it. While some of my friends are feeling difficult to learn the chapter, I already learnt it. That's why I say knowledge or is a powerful weapon. My competitor might be wealthier than me. He might have more opportunities than me. But one thing that is common for me and him is the time. So I spend all of my time to learn new things and acquire knowledge and make powerful weapons. I thank all who are a reason for creating a wonderful opportunity for me to discuss about the best traits that I have. Thank you.